Titans, Curse, and Bigfoot, and Duck Duck Goose, and what is this?
Monster Mud.
Okay, this name is Monster Mud. This is Grave Digger. This is Mohawk Warrior. And this name is Iron Man. And this name is Medusa. And this is Bigfoot. Wow. That was so great.
Which one's your favorite?
Baby, Grave Digger, because this has skeletons on it.
Yeah.
This is very scary.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those skeletons. They're so scary.
Yeah, they are scary.
Yes, I saw a skeleton in my bed, and there was a door open,
There was?
and some skeletons. You see those skeletons?
Yeah.
That's why they're,
What's the one that we just bought at Walmart?
This one. Because his name is Backwards Bob.
Yeah.
Maybe I will get a lot of
A lot of them?
Yeah. Maybe I will get a lot of them. Maybe some nerd people could bring my trucks too.
Yeah.
Maybe I will meet my new friends how to get mushrooms.
Maybe they've got some at their house.
Maybe they got some at our house.
Yeah.
Maybe we will ask them if we could have some more mushrooms.
Maybe for your birthday?
Maybe we should ask them.
Maybe so.
Oh, Mommy, I have another Grave Digger to ask. His name's Monster. His name is Grave Digger because I saw Grave Digger.
Oh, we saw them at Marshall's.
I saw it at Marshall's.
Yeah.
Maybe I will get it for my birthday.
Maybe so.
Maybe I will get a lot.
Maybe if you're real good.
I'm good.
You've been real good today?
I'm very, very, very good.
And how old are you going to be?
4.
That's right.
When somebody is 4, you just come in the hall and go into 4.
Yeah?
You just sit down and there's a lot to learn about stuff today. The prickle, the sandwich, this is no cool stuff. The prickle, the sandwich.
Yeah? Maybe we should end the video with you saying what your name is.
This is a nooch. Motion.
So I'm Henry Maldoff, signing off.
Because cool stuff.
Cool stuff.
The prickle, the sandwich.
Sandwich?
The prickle, the sandwich. The prickle to sandwich.
What are you talking about?
Prickle.
Pretty cool sandwich?
And these are the trailers that I use. Maybe I will get some from.
Hey, I'll see you later.
Okay. And I will get some more.
Okay.
I'll get some more shrooms.